In today's fast-paced world, many individuals struggle with an overactive mind, stress, and sleep issues. Neuroscientific research has unveiled several effective techniques that can provide instant relief and long-term benefits for mental well-being and sleep quality. This article explores these scientifically backed methods, offering practical solutions for those seeking to improve their mental state and sleep patterns. The double inhale technique, a fast track to calm. One of the most immediate and effective ways to calm the nervous system is through a specific breathing technique, known as the double inhale. This method, backed by scientific research, involves taking 2 consecutive inhales followed by an extended exhale. Here's how it works. Take 2 quick inhales in succession, without exhaling between them. Follow with a long, slow exhale. The science behind this technique is fascinating. The double inhale action dilates the alveoli, air sacs, in the lungs, with the second inhale expanding them even further. This process pulls a small amount of carbon dioxide from the bloodstream. When you exhale, you release the maximum amount of carbon dioxide, effectively optimizing the ratio of carbon dioxide to oxygen in your bloodstream and lungs. This simple yet powerful breathing exercise can have an almost instant effect on your autonomic nervous system, bringing down overall levels of arousal and stress. For some individuals, a single cycle of this double inhale-exhale pattern is sufficient to induce a sense of calm. Others may need to repeat the process 2 or 3 times to achieve the desired effect. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It can be performed anywhere at any time, making it an invaluable tool for managing stress and anxiety in various situations, from work-related pressure to social anxiety. Yoga Nidra, the art of conscious relaxation. While sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, there are other brain states that can provide significant recovery benefits. One such state is achieved through the practice of Yoga Nidra, a form of guided meditation that has gained attention in neuroscientific research. Yoga Nidra, often described as yogic sleep, is a state of consciousness between waking and sleeping. During this practice, the body is completely relaxed while the mind remains alert, but in a deeply calm state. Here's what makes Yoga Nidra particularly effective. It induces a unique brain state that is neither fully awake nor asleep. It requires just enough focus to prevent sleep while distributing attention in a way that prevents intense concentration on any one thing. It teaches practitioners how to turn off modes of intense focus, which is particularly beneficial for those who have trouble relaxing or falling asleep. The practice typically involves lying down comfortably and following a guided meditation that systematically relaxes different parts of the body and mind. This technique is especially useful for individuals who find it challenging to quiet their thoughts or who experience difficulty falling asleep due to an overactive mind. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra can lead to improved sleep quality, reduced stress levels, and enhanced overall well-being. It's a powerful tool for those living in our stressed society, whether the stress comes from being overwhelmed or from an inability to turn off the brain. Hypnosis, merging relaxation and focus. Hypnosis, often misunderstood and sometimes viewed with skepticism, is another powerful tool backed by neuroscientific research. Clinical hypnosis typically involves bringing one's state into deep relaxation while maintaining a level of focus. This unique combination of relaxation and focus is what makes hypnosis particularly effective for rewiring the brain and facilitating behavioral changes. The power of hypnosis lies in its ability to induce a state of deep relaxation similar to sleep, maintain a level of focus that allows for cognitive processing, create an ideal state for neuroplasticity, allowing for potential rewiring of thought patterns and behaviors. Traditionally, the process of learning and brain rewiring involves periods of intense focus followed by rest or sleep, during which plasticity occurs. Hypnosis potentially accelerates this process by combining deep relaxation and focus simultaneously, allowing neural circuits to reshape themselves more efficiently. For those struggling with sleep issues or wanting to make behavioral changes, hypnosis can be a valuable practice. It teaches the brain to enter a state of relaxation while maintaining enough awareness to process new information or perspectives, potentially leading to faster and more effective changes in thought patterns and behaviors. The power of optic flow, movement for mental calm. An often overlooked but scientifically validated method for inducing mental calm is through what's known as optic flow. This refers to the visual motion pattern experienced when moving through space, such as when walking, running, or cycling. Research has shown that self-generated optic flow has a unique effect on the brain. It shifts the brain into a state of relaxation not seen when stationary. It naturally calms brain circuits involved in threat detection. It can lower stress levels and promote a sense of well-being. This phenomenon explains why activities like taking a walk or going for a run can feel so mentally refreshing. The movement through space creates a visual flow that has a calming effect on the brain, potentially reducing anxiety and promoting mental clarity. Interestingly, this principle is also the basis for EMDR, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, a therapeutic technique used in treating trauma. The lateral eye movements used in EMDR therapy simulate the optic flow experience during movement, potentially helping to lower stress and reshape one's relationship to traumatic memories. Practical applications for better sleep and stress management. For those struggling with sleep issues or stress management, these neuroscientific insights offer several practical strategies. Practice the double inhale technique when feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Incorporate yoga nidra into your daily routine, especially if you have trouble turning off your mind. Consider exploring hypnosis for addressing specific behavioral changes or sleep issues. Engage in regular physical activities that involve movement through space, such as walking or cycling, to benefit from optic flow. Create a pre-sleep routine that incorporates elements of these techniques to improve sleep quality. It's important to note that while caffeine reduction and good sleep hygiene are crucial, these neuroscience-backed techniques offer additional tools for managing stress and improving sleep quality. Conclusion: the field of neuroscience continues to uncover fascinating insights into how our brains function and how we can leverage this knowledge for better mental health and well-being. From simple breathing techniques to more involved practices like yoga nidra and hypnosis, these scientifically backed methods offer powerful tools for managing stress, improving sleep, and enhancing overall quality of life. By incorporating these techniques into daily life, individuals can take proactive steps towards better mental health, improved sleep patterns, and a greater sense of calm and well-being. As with any health-related changes, it's always advisable to consult with healthcare professionals, especially when dealing with chronic stress or sleep issues. However, these neuroscience-backed techniques offer promising, non-invasive methods for enhancing mental and physical well-being in our increasingly stressful world.